Hello dear friends, once again I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to read chapter number 1 of 7th class and the name of the chapter is The Tiny Teacher. Okay, so let us start the chapter. First of all, I want to ask you one question. Which is the smallest and the wisest insect? Is it fly? No. Is it mosquito? No. Is it worm? No, the right answer is ant. Yes, the ant is the smallest and the wisest insect. So today's topic is just about ants. The ants are the tiny teacher which teach us lot of things in our life. The story of ants' life is almost untrue. We can't believe some of the facts which we are going to know after some time. But there are so many people who have kept these ants as pets and they have watched their daily behavior very closely. So we know a number of facts about this tiny, hardworking and intelligent creature. An ant uses its feelers and antenna to talk to other ants by passing message through them. As you can see in the picture, these ants, they are just talking to each other and they are just passing the message using their antenna or feelers. And one more thing, if you have seen a row of ants moving up or down the wall, then what you will find? Each ant greets all the others coming from the opposite direction by touching their feelers. Like you can see in the picture, they are just touching their feelers. It means they are greeting to each other. And after greeting only, they will pass from that side. There are many kinds of ants present on this earth. But if we talk about the commonest ants, so the commonest ants are the black one and the red one. They are found mostly everywhere. We have seen them since we were children, but we haven't paid enough attention to them. Now, if I talk about their home, where do they live? In their comfortable homes, and the homes are nests or we can say anthills. Okay, if we talk about these anthills, they are really very wide. Each anthill is having hundreds of little rooms and passages, and in some of these rooms the queen ant lay eggs. And if we talk about others are nurseries for the young ones, and these young ones are known as grubs. And moving further, workers are having their own reserved quarters. They will live separately. They spend most of the time searching for food. Some rooms serve as storehouse, and in this storehouse, food and other articles are kept safe. If we talk about soldiers are having separate barracks. No workers has ever tried to live in a soldier house, and no soldier has ever gone out searching for food. Soldiers are having their specific duty, so they will perform their own duty. If you see ants' life is very peaceful. Why ants' life is very peaceful? Because every ant is just doing its work. They will not interfere in others' work. So their life is very peaceful. Now, if I talk about the queen ant is the mother of all the entire population of the colony. It lives for about 15 years. It has a pair of wings also. And this pair of wings is just removed off after its wedding flight, and this flight will take place on a hot summer day. The queen leaves the nest and goes out to meet a male ant, or we can say a drone, and it will go very high up in the air. And now, when the ant is returning, or we can say when the queen ant is returning, so it will remove off its wings and then does nothing, only it will lay eggs. Eggs hatch and grubs come out, and soldiers will guard them. Workers feed and clean them, and also carry them about daily for airing, exercise, and sunshine. 2 or 3 weeks later, grubs become cocoons and lie without food or activity for 3 more weeks. Then the cocoons break and perfect ant appear. Now it's time for teaching and training. New ants learn their duties from old ants as workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. An ant hill is a home not only for ants but also for some other creatures like beetles, lesser breeds of ants, and the green fly. Why do ants want these alien creatures to live in their nest? There are so many reasons. So let us know what are these reasons. Some will give smell pleasant to these ants. Other give sweet juices, and some are just pets or playthings like cats and dogs to human beings. The green fly is the ant's cow. The ants train it to give honeydew like milk with a touch of their antenna. They milk it just as we milk the cow. Humans may still learn a few things from this tiny teacher like hard work, sense of duty, discipline, cleanliness, care for the young ones, and above all, a firm loyalty to the land where they live. Dear friends, please like and share if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.
With